Thank you, Doug. If you live in a rural area, experts say access to legal help is oftentimes limited, especially for survivors of domestic violence. A new service called Virtual Legal Clinic aims to change that. Today, Lieutenant Governor Sheila Simon showed us how it works. ABC News Channel 15's Kim Shine explains how it's bridging a gap in Vermilion County. Kim.
Well, Lisa, through technology as simple as Skype, survivors of domestic violence in Vermilion County can get free legal advice from attorneys throughout Illinois. Lieutenant Governor Sheila Simon believes it will empower victims, and local advocates agree.
This is going to be a great advantage to the victims of domestic violence that we serve.
Crosspoint Human Services in Danville serves hundreds of domestic violence survivors, many of them needing legal advice often unavailable in Vermilion County. To combat this, Lieutenant Governor Sheila Simon expanded her virtual legal clinic, connecting survivors with lawyers who want to help.
We know that there's a lot of folks who need legal representation and legal advice who aren't getting it, sometimes because there's just not enough lawyers in the community who can represent someone who is of limited means.
Right now, the clinic has 6 family practice lawyers that give free counsel to survivors in 20 counties around the state. But Simon and advocates are working to build that, saying legal counsel for survivors in rural areas is a largely unmet need.
In 80 counties in Illinois, there are 5 or fewer practicing family law attorneys, and in 47 of those counties, there are 0 practicing family law attorneys, at least that they're self-identifying.
Lawyers in the clinic say this form of social media connects 2 worlds that may have never met, and they add it empowers survivors to take a stand against domestic violence.
What social media does in this case is it allows you many, many more people, us in the VLC project, other resources. It allows you access to these people that are willing to answer your questions.
Now, the clinic is receiving support from all places, and Simon says they've gotten money from Verizon Wireless and received a grant from the Illinois Attorney General towards expansion. Live in the newsroom, Kim Shine, ABC News Channel 15.
Thanks, Kim. The virtual legal clinic started in 2011 and has since expanded to places like Peoria, Pekin, and Jacksonville.